Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss about how to check palindrome sentence in csop.net. So this is the code add here to check palindrome or sentence. So add here let's execute and check the output first. So add here in csop.net there you get is letter is digit method. So with the help of this we can easily check palindrome or sentence. Okay, so by using this is later or is digit. So is later method is used to add here ignore period space and here numbers, many more thing except alphabet. Okay, so this is the use of add here is later. Now here you can enter any kind of or sentence at this place. So I'm going to write at here don't and here note and here giving point. Now press enter. So at here or don't note it's returning because console dot write line add here it's returning true. That means this is add here one palindrome sentence. Now here after here I included so that it's returning the output don't not and here with the help of this ignore or a special character. Okay, now here after let's execute one more time. I'm going to enter this time top and here a spot. So it's returning true. That means this is at here example of a palindrome sentence. Now here after I'm going to check with null palindrome sentence. So at here going to enter top a spot and here entering some number. So it's a returning false. So this is not a palindrome sentence. Now let's execute one more time and here going to write at here Henry Nicholas and here hi. So it's a returning because this is not a palindrome sentence. Okay. So code is working correctly and here if you take the cursor on is digit method to indicate whether a specified Unicode character is categorized as a decimal. So with the help of this, so it ignore period space character except digit. Okay. So at here not equal, so when that font digit like I enter top spot 6, so that font digit, so that at here this is going for false, so this return false and here after this is not equal and here in last returning the false. So that means top spot 6 is not a palindrome sentence. So at here enter any string, so a string or you can just write sentence. Here what we are going to enter that received by str. Here I have created is palindrome method. So this is user defined user created method str. So whatever the value that enters, so that received by str. Now here after that compiler starts searching where is palindrome. So control comes to this point and whatever the value that I enter str go here after that receive str here after that go inside. So st value is now that is the null or blank space and here whatever the str value so that first convert into the lower. So suppose if some user enter lower and upper case sentence so that convert into the lower and one by one that go to chr and here after that check chr is later. So if that later it's fine, if it's a digit then directly that this value return false. So if chr value is the later and here that go inside, so add here st equal to st plus chr. Okay, so one by one or the value that go to string. Hereafter string is now a string, so by the help of two char array, so it's converted into the character and that go to chr. Hereafter reverse method that I'm using, and hereafter chr value go to reverse. If both are equal, then that return true or else false. So and here let's include at this point console dot write line, and here printing the value of ch. So and here first I'm going to enter at this place some non-palindrome sentence like hello world, how are you? So this is the non-palindrome sentence writing at here hello world, how are you? So at here when that to reverse, so this is at here it's returning this kind of values. Okay, so with I just check console.write and cs value is not this one, and when that try to match with or read, okay, so both are obviously not equal, so that here it's returning false. Okay, after reversing, this is the value it's returning. Now here after when I enter some palindrome sentence like entering at here steps, so S is the capital letter steps, and here on no pets. So this is the example of palindrome sentence. So it's I did some mistake, I think step. Okay, I included S. So this is at here reversing. This is the value. It's not this displaying. Now here after let's execute. So this time going to enter again step, and here on no pets. So this is the example of palindrome sentence. So previously I entered as, so that now here the same thing you are getting a step on, so that here this is the example of palindrome sentence. Like that you can check at your single word palindrome. So if I give at here ROPOR, so at here after converting lower reversing the same value it's getting, then that's returning true. So this is the example where we can find palindrome sentence in C#.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.